Good morning, folks. This is Friday morning, the 24th of January. Let's have a look at this German DAX market and see what's been going on over the last couple of days. This is a 4-hour chart going back to into December, and we sort of this thick line. This is an interesting zone of support and resistance. If we pan back a little bit, you can see the first time we tested it. It sort of tried to break through, we couldn't take out the high, then we backed off. And then it managed to break through there, and it's tested it a couple of times, made the new high earlier on, where we completed that big ABCD on the weekly. And then we've backed off about 260 points or so over the last couple of days. Which you'd expect, because if you look at that weekly again, you can see this is the ABCD we completed just about right to the tick, that lovely 3 drive to the top, and then of course this is also a double top with the highs we made in 2017, early 2018, isn't it? Now if we come down again and look at this in more detail on the 60. Just zoom in a little bit on here. You can see we're in a strong uptrend. And this level of support that we're talking about could be interesting. What I think we're seeing here, I might be wrong, but what I think we're seeing, I think this is the AB swing of a bigger A, B, C, D, which I've already drawn in. If we drag it along a little bit, take a look at it. I've drawn it in, I thought it might hit the 618. It looking like it's backed off at the 50. Well, again, it might get an A, B, C, D up into the 618. That's possible. I don't know if it'll let me draw it in. Might if I zoom in a bit. So we might get an A, B, C, D, something like that. I might go a bit higher. Although, you never know. Something like that would take you to the 618. That's possible. So, but you can see all we've done, I mean, we completed a butterfly and an expanding 3 drives pattern into the high to complete that bigger pattern on your weekly. Then we've backed off and we've made another expanding reverse wave down into the low, and that low, as we've just seen on the 4-hour, is an important level of support and resistance, which it's managed to bounce from. Now, whether the bulls are still in buy mode, whether they're going to put their hands in the pockets again and start buying, we're going to have to wait and see. But so at the moment, I think this 13,380 area, this zone of support is key. If we do break down through there, then I think we could get down, quite easily get down another 100 points, test the 50%, and then we'll see how the bulls react when it gets down here. So at the moment, it's early days to say whether this is any sort of a major correction, but we'll have to wait and see. It started off okay, back 250, 260 point drop. And we'll see if this rally has got any more legs in it. So that's what I'm seeing in the German DAX, folks. So take care and good luck with your trading.